Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. It's getting to be that time of the month. Not lady time, it's subscription box time. Because you know about this time, the middle of the month, they all start rolling in. Today I have my ice cream box. This is quickly becoming one of my favorite makeup subscription boxes because there's an eyeshadow palette in every single box. This box is $25 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size beauty products. It's a nice mixture of makeup, some skincare. You'll get tools sometimes. So I think that they also have a bag. The bag is like $12.50. So I'm going to cut the tape so we can get in it and see what we got this time. Comes with a little card. I like that. Just has the name of the products on it and how much the retail value of it is, so it's eco-friendly. And the other thing that I love are all of these cheese doodles which are also eco-friendly because they are made from cornstarch, so they will not harm the planet. So I'm going to quickly take everything out because everything is covered up. And I have 5 products in my box. And I have an eyeshadow palette. Alright, so right on top we have this Maribella Lip. Let's see what the value of that is. It is a lip crayon and it is valued at $20. And the shade, I believe, is Vice. Let's see if Maribella is cruelty-free. Yes, they are cruelty-free. This is gluten-free and paraben-free. And there's the packaging. Very nice fall color. Very matte, very pretty. I'm not going to swatch that. I am going to throw this in my giveaway box that I pick products from when I do a giveaway, because I have a lot of lip products and I really enjoy doing the giveaways. I'm loving being able to share all of this with you because I love it that y'all come and hang out with me and watch my videos. The next product is this Pierre Cosmetics Ultra Glow Highlighting and Bronzing Palette. And this is $29. This as well is cruelty-free and it has a 24-month shelf life. That's a very pretty little palette. It does have the shade saver. It just stuck to the mirror. Very nice little palette. This would be a nice travel palette. I am not going to swatch this either because I have a lot of bronze palettes and highlighter palettes. So this as well is going to go into the giveaway box. Next we have these Maya Couture Downtown 2-in-1 Oil Blotting Bronzer. Pierre, not paper. These retail for $18 and they're bronzing sheets. See if I can get them out of this paper. That's very interesting. And I know I'm not going to keep these either, and I'm running my fingers. Let's see if I can show you. They're sheets of bronzer. They have a nice sheen to them. They look like a very cool tone bronzer. Again, I have lots of bronzers. These are very interesting though. but I'm going to put that as well in your giveaway box. The next thing we have is this Bougie Beauty. This is a wine tasting trio blush palette. This has a 12-month shelf life. It is cruelty free, and this retails for $30. Comes in a nice plastic packaging. Oh my goodness. Look at how pretty that is. I needed this a couple of days ago when I was doing a video. So I'm definitely keeping this. These are so pretty. There's the colors. I'll just swatch those real quick. Look how pretty those are. I love that. Very, very pretty fall colors. So I'm keeping that. Put that in the keep pile. And the last item in the box is the palette. It's a bubble wrapped, and this is Ace Beauty Blossom Passion. Ace Beauty is cruelty free, and this has a 12-month shelf life. This retails for $35. Very pretty packaging. It has a nice mirror in it. And look at those colors. Wow. Very, very pretty palette. I have a lot of palettes that have these colors in it, so I'm not going to swatch this either. I'm going to put this as well in y'all's giveaway box. So I'm keeping one product. That does not bother me. Normally I keep them all, and like I said, I really do enjoy coming up with ideas and things to give back to my subscribers. So let me quickly add that up. Like I said, I paid $25 for the box, and this September box comes to $132, so that's pretty good for a $25 box. So there you go, just a quick little video to show you my September Eyescream Beauty Box. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me to watch me do this quick unboxing. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It sure would make my day, and it really does help out my channel. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscription button, that word that sometimes I can't say, and ring that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, you need some of these bronzing blotting papers. Oil blotting. Bronzing papers. So, you know, when you're out on the boat and you're hot, and I'm pretty sure you have oily skin like your mama, then you take these and blot the oil off and bronze your skin up so that, you know, you're beautiful in the boat. So, and look at them. They'll fit perfectly in your tackle box, okay? Mama loves you, boo.